Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Olympras Trade. Today I just want to say some important things. So to improve my YouTube channel, uh, to move that to forward, so I decided to make a series to understand market in different way, how that is work if you follow certain strict rules and regulations on your money management, and whatever you plan, the thing should be perfect when you follow rules and regulations of market. When the market is good, then you have to trade. When market is bad, you need to leave the market. So according to that, so you will uh, take the success from the market, and you'll get whatever the profits you want. So now get back into my video. So what I'm saying now, I started a series, I'll make 15 series, and means I'll make 15 videos. In that, each and every day has one profitable a day. So without any loss, we'll make profit in that day, and in these 15 days, I'll make $500 in 15 days series. So from $10 to $500, how we can make that, I'll show now. So this is my plan, friends. So according to me, I'll start with only $10 already. Unfortunately, already I took one series, but I didn't record that. I'll show the trades, so how I made that. So first day one, I already took that, went positive, and my balance is now $13. So day 2 series will be uh, come soon. You can expect the video within 2 to 3 days. So this will be in weekdays only, friends, when the market is active, from Monday to Friday. So the series will be in these days only. So how many days it will take? Maximum 30 to 40 days. In between the choosable 15 days, I will take and I'll trade on that market. So whenever the market is very good, I'll feel that very good, I'll make a video on that market, and I'll achieve the target. So here I'll explain about this chart. So day one, I started with $10. You can see that per trade amount I put only $1 per trade. So trade amount is $10. I have to invest all of my investment. So profit percent is 30, means only 30% of my deposit profit I have to take. Understood, friends? So profit 30% means, so profit will be $3 for the day. So loss should be 0. According to my plan and strategy, loss should be 0. So to continue this, I have to make 0 losses in each and every series. I have to continue further series, further forward series. So total balance is 13 now. So next day series will be on day 2. So I start with $13. So per trade amount will be $1.3 I will invest per trade. So same thing repeat again, 10 trades per day. So profit percentage is also 30%. So profit as usually, according to my balance, 30% means $3.9. So that will make my balance to $16.9. So vice versa, friends. So every day this will be repeated again and again. So every day I'll deposit 10% of my deposit, whatever the amount present into my balance. So 10 trades and 30% profit. That will make my series up to 15 days. So I'll continue to make this $500 in my account. So for this, I need very we need very lot of patience and also we need to follow the rules of market. So what I'm saying here is, so we can make this series day by day, but every day the market will not be same as today. For example, I'll make so much money in this day, so but I can't make on the next day. The market will be volatile, so means ups and downs are very unpredictable. So sometimes the market will be support us, sometimes the market will not support us. So I have to make a uh, note of that, and I'll trade on that particular day. I'll achieve the target in 15 day series. So you can see this 15-day series in my account. So this is I'm going to trade. This is I'm going to tell friends. So as of now you can see my balance is 13.46. Actual balance is 13.46, and the $3 is a deposit bonus. So actually Olam Trade platform will give some promo codes for to getting bonus. So at that, when the time of I deposit, I have a promo code for 30%. So I use that. So I got $3 bonus. So that is actually good thing. So I'll show the trades of my first series, so so that you can get an idea. Yesterday, Friday actually, so today's date is on May 1st I started this series. Yesterday total uh, from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total 8 trade friends. I did 8 trades, and some losses happened, but recovered that amount. Means Friday means the market will be very volatile at that time. So in that time I have to check the market whether it's supporting us or not. So unfortunately I got a profit, but I achieved the target for the day one. So this is what I trade for first day. So consider this is as a first series of this 15 days. So I achieved the target for first day, so $13. So wait for my second series friends. It will be posted by Monday or Tuesday. It will by Tuesday only I'll upload that video. So please, I request you friends to subscribe my channel. It's going to touch 1000 subscribers. So I'm eagerly waiting for the 1000 subscribers to my channel. So please support me, uh, and encourage me to do more series like this. Thank you friends, thank you very much.